Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to solve quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula, also known as the general formula. Alright, the formula method make it very easy for us to solve quadratic equation. Alright, now the first thing we need to do, we're going to bring out the form in which the equation can be written. That's to say, we have the form a. Now we have ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now this is the form of a quadratic equation. Alright, now the general formula, the quadratic formula, taking this form is going to be x equal to minus b plus minus the root of b square minus 4ac all into 2a. Alright, now this is the formula. This is the quadratic formula or the general formula. Alright, now taking an example, we're going to take an example using this general formula, this quadratic formula to solve. Alright, now the first example we have is we are given an equation x squared minus 7x plus 12. Alright, now it is being written in the quadratic form, which is this form. Alright, now we're going to say, now using this form, we know our a here is equal to, here is 1x squared or x squared, so our a is 1. Our b is negative 7, and our c is given as 12. Now putting it into the equation, we're going to have x equal to, b is minus 7, so we're going to have minus into minus 7, or plus minus the root of our b squares. Our b is minus 7, so we're going to have minus 7 all square minus 4 multiply a is given as 1 and our c is given as 12 all into 2 times 1. Alright, so we're going to have here our x will be equal to, when the negative sign multiply negative sign, it's going to become a positive sign, so we're going to have here 7 plus minus the root of minus 7 squared is 49. 4 multiply 1 multiply 12, we're going to have 48 all into 2 multiply 1 is 2. Alright, so we're going to have here x equal to x equal to 7 plus minus root of 1 all into 2. Alright, then root of 1 is 1, so we can write this as x is equal to 7. We said the root of 1 is 1, so we're going to have 7 plus minus 1 all into 2. So our x can be written as 7 plus 1 all into 2, or 7 minus 1 all into 2. So our x is equal to 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 into 2, or 7 minus 1 is 6 into 2. So therefore our x is equal to 4, or our x is equal to 6 divided 2 is 3, 8 divided 2 is 4. This is how you use the general formula or the quadratic formula to solve. Alright, now let's take another example using the same process and the same formula. Now, given this example, 2x squared minus 4x is equal to 30. Now, quadratic equation must be equal to 0. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to make sure that this equation equates 0. So, bringing it back into the left hand side, we are going to have 2x squared minus 4x. When 30 crosses an equal to, it becomes a negative 30. Now is equal to 0. Alright, now using the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now I'm going to say our a is equal to 2. our b is equal to -4, and our c is equal to -30. Alright, now our formula is given as x is equal to minus b plus minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all into 2a. Alright, now what we are going to do right now, we're going to making use of, we have the parameters already, so our x will be equal to, our b is giving us -4, so we're going to have negative into -4 plus minus the root of our b squared is negative, our b is -4, so here is going to become minus 4 times our a is giving us 2, our c is giving us -30 all into 2 times our a is 2. So we're going to have x is equal to when negative sign multiply negative sign, then it become a positive sign, plus minus the root of -4 squared 16 minus 4 times 2 minus 4 times 2 times -30 is going to give us positive 240 all into 4. Alright, so now we're going to have, this was in our last, we have x is equals to 4 plus minus the root of 16 plus 240 all into 4. Okay, now we can say x is equal to 4 plus minus the root of 16 plus 240 is going to give us 256 all into 4. The root of 256 is 16, so we are going to have now x is equal to 4 plus minus 16 all over 4. So our x is equal to 4 plus 16 over 4, or x is equal to 4 minus 16 over 4. Alright, so x is equals to 4 plus 16 is 20 all over 4, or x is equals to 4 minus 16 is going to give us 4 minus 16, we're going to have, I think, okay, negative, so we're going to have 4 minus 16 is -12 over 4, so x is equal to 5, or our x is equal to -3. Alright, now it's as easy as this. This is how you use the formula method to solve the quadratic equation. And guys, if this video is really helpful, please do not forget to like this video and turn on your post notification to all. I'm going to see you guys in our next video.